Good morning. Good morning, sunshine.
Does you have a song?
No.
The sunshine. The sunshine. Let me get it.
Did you check scuba diving thing?
Let me do it right now.
Okay, do it then.
I think we should do scuba diving when it's raining.
Look.
Is this it? You think? We'll be in the water, so you won't really care that it's raining. Don't worry.
Oh, wait, another friend of mine is
Your
coming.
friend, yeah, don't worry.
Guys, we are at the hotel now. Carla, do you want to explain to them what happened? About the scuba diving. Come on, sit down. What happened, Carla?
Okay, basically, alright, so Spain is a tourist attraction country, right? And it turns out that they only cater for foreigners summer and Christmas time. So we're here in the Easter holidays and everything's closed. So we're trying to do scuba diving and it's how much?
90 euros. 3 hours though.
3 hours. It's a decent price, but we can't get through to them. We don't know if they're open. We don't want to travel there and it's closed. I mean, I'm scared, so it's just, it's not happening. And that was not, no, it's happening, but
Not too sure about that. Do you know why? Because I think we are like in the other part of the city. Because if we go central, Palma, like the guy said yesterday at the restaurant, there's more things to do, like in the town.
We're in a quiet residential suburban area, I guess.
Yeah, so if we go there, I reckon it's happening. So we're just getting changed.
I'm gonna put on my cute dress that I got from Oliveira.
Oliveira! Get some discounts there! And yeah, that's pretty much it, isn't it, Kyla?
For now. We'll see what the day brings. It's still kind of early, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not even 12 o'clock yet. Yeah, it's not even 12 o'clock yet.
We woke up, but we never got up.
Yeah, and we fell asleep. It's like, basically, yeah, we were lazy butts. We were in a bed. Oh, I can't speak. We were in bed. We knew we had to get up, but we never. So we stayed in bed until 9. Was it 9:40, 9:50?
Yeah.
Oh, she's getting changed over there, guys. You wish you were here and seeing it.
There you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You can ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to make it high for a nigga. When you are what you want, but you
Get away! Get away!
get away, you know. Woo! Oh my god, I've grown. Oh, this is strong. This was grown before.
I've grown.
Huh? I've grown.
I've grown. She doesn't even know how to speak English. So now, we're just waiting for Kyla. I mean, I'm just waiting for Kyla.
We're just...
They're waiting for you as well, Kyla. Come on, can you hurry up? Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
We're going to rent bikes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where?
No idea.
Okay. Do you know, I think we should rent bikes at Palma.
How do we get to Palma?
Coach.
How much is that?
Not that expensive, is a coach.
Okay. Do you know where the coach is?
No. And thinking I still have 2 more days with this one. I don't think I can handle this much longer. Oh!
Oh my god.
Not gonna show you guys. Not gonna show you. So, this top, yes, from Oliveira, of course. Oliveira, look at it. Look at the back. Oh! And then I got this bra from Bershka. Trousers are from Oliveira again. And I got my Adidas on because it's very comfortable. My choke is from, what is the shop called? La Visa, something like that. Earrings are from Bijou Bridget. Something like that. Bought it in Portugal. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Like it?
Oh my god. Okay.
What's that? Where is that from?
This dress is from Palma.
My Palma, yes.
It's what would you slogan
Yeah.
t-shirt dress, yeah.
T-shirt
graphic,
dress.
Yeah. I got my Stan Smiths from JD. Yeah.
Look at that.
I got these some sunglasses hats. Primark. Yeah.
Where's your lipstick from?
I don't even know.
Superdrug.
Superdrug. Yeah.
You're gonna get that one.
Here and hair here. What's up, bro?
Come on, don't be shy. Why your hair is so long?
Easy question. My question is why you are so beautiful?
Because the mother do it like this. No, another question.
No,
Be shy.
this question.
Be shy. Sorry, our friend is so. Yeah.
Film?
No, because we are animation team.
From my YouTube channel. Okay. We are on our way to Palma. The reason why this girl is there is because she said, oh, whoa, look at this lighting. She said she wanted to be in a window seat. So I was like, just go there. And she really went. So we're on our way to Palma. We are going, I don't know if we're going scuba diving today. I've booked it, but I don't know if we are going.
Prossima parata, Alexandre Rosselló, 5. Próxima parada, Alexandre Rosselló, 5.
Inicio, continuo. Resident, no resident.
English? No English.
Ajuda? English.
Yeah!
Start, no resident. It's at 9:30. This is amazing! Wow! This is amazing! And there's so much to do! Stop it!
Aku kasih makan.
Oh, look at that! Just look at that!
Your sunshine.
Ooh. guys, we're at the beach right now. We're just taking some pictures. We haven't had lunch yet, but we're not hungry at all, so I think we're just gonna get for a milkshake or something. Kyla there is taking the glasses. A photo shoot is happening again. Just look at the view. Highly recommended, guys. And the sun is so warm. Huh?
I'm just gonna pretend.
She's gonna pretend she's on her phone. She likes a lot of pretend photos.
What a great candid.